3, 2, 1. Tit. Yes, sir. And we got down alive. That is what's up. Oh, with the tailwind too. That's what you call a survival jump. It was either that or freeze to death up on the mountain. As you can see, the sun is already set. It's about to get dark. That's about as much terrain flying as I want to do in these stormy conditions. It was quite turbulent, but epic. I'm just glad I got down. So what I ended up doing was chiseling away the rock on the ledge and then covering it to keep it dry, and then standing on my shirt to keep my booties dry, and then going right to the dry rock, and it worked out. But you can even see the canopy blowing. I can feel the air on my neck. Total downdraft on that short start at 10,500 feet. Visual, very visual. Oh, glad to be alive.